think the salmon are running. I heard something in the water. I just worry about bears at this time of year, especially with my dog. I hear something in the water over there. We're gonna go check it out, but I just wanted to see it first. I can't give you guys a good view yet, but I think it's just the salmon making the noise. Well, that's where we're heading. Oh yeah, it's just the salmon making the noise, so we'll go check it out. Yeah, salmon are coming up the stream. I can hear them. Good. It's a good day to see the salmon. I think I have a video that I'll start this one with. It's when the river wasn't full enough for the salmon yet. Yeah, biggest thing is I worry about the bears, of course. Here's my dog. Oh yeah, see the salmon. Let's see if we can get a better video. Salmon. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this, put this camera the other way. That guy's gonna try to go. And he didn't make it. Oh, he's making it. Oh, Jack scared him. There's definitely bears around. Here's the salmon. Going up the river. Oh, okay, turned around. Oh, that guy made it. I don't know if you can see it in the video. I've got some videos